As is means you won't be making any repairs or upgrades after the contract is signed and before the sale is closed. Whether your home is in great shape or needs some TLC, we'll share tips to help you present your house in its best. Let's talk selling as is. Selling as is can attract buyers looking for a fixer-upper or a good deal. However, it's essential to be upfront about the home's condition to avoid any surprises during the transaction. Even if you're selling as is, you should still make an effort to prepare the home for sale. And here's some tips to get you started. First, clean and declutter your home. If your budget allows, consider hiring a professional cleaning service. If not, just focus on the basics. Clean the floor surfaces, vacuum, sweep, mop all the floors, wipe down the countertops and surfaces. Remove all your personal items. Pack away the family photos. This helps home buyers envision themselves in the space. Neatly organize your closets, your cabinets, and all storage areas to show off your home storage potential. Next, address any minor repairs that you can handle on your own. Leaky faucets, running toilets, light bulbs that may be out. Touch up any scarred or scuffed marked walls. Cover any open switch plates. Clean the basement and the attic. You can have a 50-year-old furnace, but if you've had it serviced and cleaned regularly, it's going to be fine. Make sure to keep the records for all these little fixes that you've done. And make sure to keep the records of the upgrades you've made over the years. These are all things that you can do without spending a lot of money, and the return will be well worth it. Enhance your curb appeal. Make a good first impression with these tips. Keep your yard tidy and well maintained. Mow the lawn and trim the bushes. Clean the exterior. Wash the windows, sweep the walkways, and consider power washing the exterior if it needs it. Add simple landscaping. A few potted plants, fresh mulch. They can go a long way to enhance your home's exterior. Now let's talk about marketing your as-is home. Highlight the positives and be honest about the condition. Professional, high-quality photos can showcase your home in its best light. If you can't afford this, your realtor will most likely pay for this. We do here in Connecticut. It's just part of our service. Use a good camera if you're doing this on your own, and take photos on a nice day. Promote your listing on all the proper websites, social media. Local classifieds is an old thing, but some people really still do it. Have an accurate listing description. Be transparent about the home's condition. Highlight its potential and any unique features. Talk to your realtor about this if you're listing the home with a realtor so that you have a great description of the property. Work with your realtor to set a realistic, competitive price. It's important that when you're selling a house as is, that you've priced it correctly. If you're in a $500,000 to $700,000 neighborhood and your house is closer to the $500,000, price it accordingly. If your house is closer to the $700,000 and you're selling it as is, and you don't want to negotiate or deal because it's a seller's market, we have that a lot here in Connecticut. Price it at the $700,000. Again, picking a good realtor is crucial. Let me know in the comments below if you think this makes a difference, and watch my upcoming video on how to pick a good realtor. Selling your home as is can be a great option if you're not in a position to make repairs or upgrades, or your house is just in great shape and you don't want to deal with nickel and dimer. By following these tips, you can still present your home in the best possible light and attract the right buyer. Remember, every home has its unique appeal. Stay positive, be honest, and your home's condition, and you will find the right buyer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips and advice. We look forward to hearing back from you.